Hello, my name is Dimitar Georgiev. I'm a co-owner of Abstract Windows Incorporated in San Carlos, a window replacement company. In Abstract Windows, we sell and install new energy efficiency windows, all types of materials, vinyl, fiberglass and wood. And we cover residential markets all the way from San Jose to San Francisco. We are a small family business focusing only on window and door installation as well as siding. And as a specialty contractor, we have extensive knowledge of window replacement. And also our employees are in-house trained. And me and my business partner, we personally check a lot of the jobs to make sure that we have certain quality expectations from our employees, so we can give excellent customer satisfaction. We had a situation with one client that he recently purchased windows from another company that didn't meet the San Francisco requirements from planning department, and then they failed inspection, and the customer was upset of the outcome that they needed to buy 2 times windows. And then he hired us to fix his problem, and of course we did proper guidance through the process. We passed proper inspections. We ordered proper window materials that were accepted from planning department with the city. Finally, we finished the project. He is very happy. He already gave us another job for another of his properties, and he told me that they're gonna be customers for life, because we play by the book and we took care of them. I started installing windows on the fall of 2003, 20 years ago. Time flies. For 8 years I was installer for different companies, including one of the big brands in the US. And then me and my partner in 2011, we decided to form our own business. We got a contractor license, and we started slow, only me, him and one helper. Little by little we grew the business with word of mouth and with quality work, I would say. And now we have 12 employees, 6 trucks. We have in-house scaffolding. We only use trained in-house employees. And I'm proud to say that now we do on average 10 to 15 jobs per week. Give us a call for your next window project. We'll make sure that you receive the best quality possible for the window replacement industry. All the way from San Francisco to San Jose, we cover the whole Bay Area with new windows and great service. Thank you.